In this video, I will be explaining how you can highlight certain section of the photo in Photoshop. So for example, if you want to highlight the head of this particular horse and the rest of the image should be hidden, then what you can do is select this head using rectangle marquee tool, and then make sure that feather is 60 pixel, because with the feather set to 60 pixel, it is gonna give amazing borders around the highlighted area. With this selection done, go to this layer and then click on add layer mask, and you can see that rest of the image is almost gone and only this thing is visible. And then you can utilize this part of the image to write any text, or if you want to give the heading or anything else, you can add it here. That's it. Thanks for watching.